What's up, guys? This is Clay. I am the president and owner of Thunder Laser USA, and I want to take a quick second today to talk about air assist. Air assist is super important when it comes to engraving and cutting. Typically, you want low air for engraving and high air for cutting. And I just want to talk about how our dual stage air assist works, what that means, the benefits of all that, and just how to use it. So if we come over here and if you see one of these on our machines, this is the dual stage air assist control panel. You can control whether you're using low air or high air. So I can test the air and I can physically feel underneath here how much air is coming out. And then I can adjust that air volume with these knobs right here. And you can see I've done actually some test cuts right here. So you can see the difference in quality. You can see the low air cut, it left a bunch of burn marks, and then the low air engraving was actually much better than the high air engraving. Now I could sand this or clean this, and this would clean up a lot, but why would you not want to have a better engraving right out of the box? The dual air assist works is that it's automatically switching from low air to high air. So the way that you control this is in light burn. When you turn air off in light burn, it goes to low air. And when you have air on in light burn, it goes to high air. So this allows you to easily switch between the two, between low air and high air. So if you had a machine that didn't have dual air assist, you would probably have to pause the job, open the lid, adjust the air, close the lid, so this allows you to get the most out of your machine by doing cuts and engraves at the same time with different air pressures. Thanks, guys. I hope this video was helpful. So subscribe to our channel if you want to see more content like this, and we'll talk to you soon.